y'all, so these are the final results of my install. She's looking real cute, real cute. I love her. So this hair is from Beauty Forever. I'm wearing their Indian body wave hair. I have in 2 bundles of 24, a 22 inch, and then my 20 inch frontal. So this is how the hair came out. I did make this wig myself. I get a lot of questions on if I make my own wigs, and yes, I do. I make my own wigs and also make them for other people. So if you want a wig made by me, my email address will be down in my description box, so hit me up. But yeah, this is how she's looking so far. I really like the hair. The only con that I have about this hair so far is the lace color. So this lace color came in like a medium brown color, which is too dark for my skin tone. So I ended up having to add some powder over the lace, and it doesn't look that bad. It probably looks a little bit lighter because my ring light is super bright, but I promise you in person it blends way better with my skin than it previously did. So that's the only problem I have about this hair so far, is the lace color. I feel like if my skin tone are lighter, then you might have a problem with the lace blending into your skin tone. So I wish they had like a lighter brown version of the lace, or like even transparent lace, so it'd be more suitable for like lighter skin tones. This is only my first day wearing the hair, so I can't really give you guys like my in-depth opinion, but I can already tell that I'm gonna like the hair. It seems very soft. I haven't gotten much shedding or tangling, but I will be doing like an update video kind of on this hair pretty soon, so stay tuned if you want to see like my final thoughts and opinions on this hair. But I already know that I'm gonna like it. It already feels like some really good hair, so I can pretty much tell if I'm gonna like some hair or not by like the first day or so, and it's giving me good vibes, so I think I'm gonna like it. Yeah, so I got 24 inches. I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see how long it looks on me. So she's super long, super flowy. I kind of wish that I added like one more bundle into this hair, because y'all know that I like my wigs to be super full, and this just is not full enough for me. Of course, with the longer lengths you do get less hair on the bundle, so I probably could have added like one more bundle onto the wig, but I'm probably just being extra because I just like my wigs to be real full. But I feel like this is a nice density for like everyday, you know, just an everyday slay. But yeah, so far this hair feels really nice. I flat ironed it bone straight, and the hair is like super flowy, super soft. I didn't put no products in this hair. I never put any products in my hair when I flat iron it, so this is just how the hair flat ironed straight with no product, and it looks really good. That's all I really have to say about this hair right now. Stay tuned for the update video, which will probably be in about 2 weeks or so y'all can really see my y'all can hear my final opinions about the hair. But that's about it for this video. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.